Hey natural lovers, welcome to my channel. I'm Queen Naturally, a natural skin, body, lock care formulator who is new to YouTube. So please excuse me if I use my notes, I'm new. But I'm here because I'm passionate about taking care of ourselves naturally using plant-based ingredients that help both men and women with various skin and hair types achieve glowing skin and hair growth naturally. I've been doing this since 2018, about 7 years. That's a long time. And you ask why? Well, I had some skin and hair issues myself, and I learned that plant-based ingredients can help, along with some healthy life changes. Also, I did extensive research first before I even started, and here are just a few things that I learned. That plants offer a rich source of vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants that are vital for skin and hair and contain no synthetic chemicals. Also, plant-based ingredients are more gentle on your skin and hair and not harsh, and less likely to cause irritation and breakage from, you guessed it, synthetic chemicals. And many plants have specific therapeutic properties like fighting acne, helping keeping hair healthy, helping with fine lines and wrinkles, and even soothing eczema. And finally, there is a consumer demand for plant-based hair and skincare essentials, not just for food, because it's natural, sustainable, and a commitment to your personal health and self-care naturally. And when you incorporate a natural, regular skin and hair care routine to your daily life, like I did, you will see rewarding results and feel naturally wonderful. On this channel, we will talk about how various herbs are beneficial for skin and hair, open up about your personal experience on how living a natural lifestyle has helped your hair and skincare journey, and various natural or naturally derived products that are out there, and the importance of reading labels, very important. And I can't leave out the kings. Beards are important too. Keeping them smelling good, healthy, along with growth can be achieved naturally. And these are just a few things that will be discussed and more. So if you don't want to miss out, hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and tune in every Saturday for more Queen Naturally skin, hair, and self-care content that you will enjoy naturally. Bye.